Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Super Paper Craft. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So as you can see that today I'm here to discuss such a very beautiful and a very attractive collection about your quilling paper ideas. Like in my video you can see all about your flower ideas, because in my video you can see all about your quilling flower ideas which you can decorate from which you can decorate your rooms, or your living rooms as well, and also about your bedroom. So you can it's a very beautiful video. So I hope that if you're interested in my video, so just go to the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. So guys, it's a very latest video for you, so as you can see that it's a very beautiful video. So guys, if you're interested and if you're enjoying this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and with your family members as well. And thanks for watching my videos with your friends, and thanks for watching my videos because I'm just taking these type of videos for you. So I hope you are interested. And we all know that our quilling paper is very essential for us and very beneficial for us as well. And guys, now I am telling you that paper quilling is done with text weight paper, which is heavier than printer paper as well, but much lighter much lighter than cardstock. And cardstock does not work well for quilling since it tends to bend instead of rolls as well. So many people ask this question, is paper quilling easy? As an art, quilling used to be extremely popular in 1970s and 80s as well, so gradually faded in between and has a brilliant comeback in the recent years. Paper quilling is not a very difficult skill to master, so you can done with a few simple tools as well, but it's up to you that how could you purchase these type of tools, and how could you decorate your rooms, how could you make your latest new ideas about your flowers, or make latest new ideas about your latest new designs as well. So guys, I hope that you are interested in my video as well. So guys, if you're interested in my video and if you're enjoying this video right now, just go to the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel guys. And thanks for watching my video. My video almost has been ended now. So quilling paper, as you can see that these are your sunflowers as well. So guys, now my video almost has been ended. Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself and your family. Bye bye, and thanks for watching my video as well. Allah Hafiz.